So, ano masasabi mo sa 4 years mo na dito sa Taiwan? Sabi mo, yumaman ka na ba? Oh my God, what happened to my feathers?
Yushan Snow Mountain.
Hola! Hello! Welcome to itschangiii vlogs. Welcome mga Zai. So, today, kung nakikita nyo itong video na to, is probably tapos na yung anniversary ko na nag 4 years ako dito sa Taiwan.
Yeah. OMG, you guys! Oh my God, what happened to my feathers?
So, I'm dedicating this vlog to my 4th year anniversary living here. Hindi naging madali, and I had so many struggles and heartaches, and it's a mix of emotions. 4 years ago, I boarded my first ever international flight, living away from my family and friends na mga nakagisnaan to a foreign land where I didn't even speak their language.
Dito ka sa kwanto mo! Sa tumoy!
Ayan! Piniti ko! Ayan! Piniti ko!
Ano na? Pinanggoy ka.
I remember crying and wanting to go home kasi feeling ko sobrang inferior ako here. That una, I cannot speak Mandarin, and I had thoughts of going back again to the Philippines na lang, and really thought that it's not worth it here. But katagalan, I met new friends and got acquainted with them. Met new friends over coffee or kainan and KTV until everyone feels like family already.
Pagwapa, uy! Pa-fresh ba? Fresh ka pa ba, ma'ams? Fresh ka dapat, day. Para di tayo iwan, day.
Eventually, Taiwan became home. This is my second home now. And I am grateful for the wonderful memories I have created over the past 4 years. Sa loob ng 4 na taon, I have seen myself evolve and grow at the same time. I got my heart broke a few times, but I finally had the courage to heal and love again. And now, I am engaged. So, today, guys, is our anniversary ng pagpunta namin sa Taiwan. Paano mo yun? Si Bibi Boy ay friend ko lang. Tapos, friend ko pa lang. And then, like, 4 years later, who would have thought that he's my fiancé na? What are you having? Chicken lang? Ang favorite tambayan ng mga Pinoy. 21st century. Kain! So, ano masasabi mo sa 4 years mo na dito sa Taiwan? Today marks the anniversary na pupunta natin dito. So,
ngayon na ba yun? Saan ang best naman?
best na panahon, diba?
Hindi pa nag-enjoy ka time, guys. Lalo na with family.
Ano masasabi mo, yumaman ka na ba? Kapag ano bang, kailangan bang may naipundar ka na? Huwag tayo magbasa sa money lang or was, or kung anything na what made you parang naging
going 4 years, siyempre, experience and
knowledge,
pero darating na, as long as na yung knowledge mo is sufficient enough to be upgraded to the next level, pero kaya mo yun tayo.
So, okay lang muna, basta importante is mag-gaining experience, and then money will follow, diba? Guys, so it's our simple way of celebrating anniversary dito sa Taiwan. So, kain tayo. This is a very short video. Parang i-reminisce lang namin to after like years from now. Yun nga, nagpunta kami dito. And we are so happy na after 4 years ulit kami. Thanks for watching. last stop namin. After namin mag-crazy, ito na ang ending namin. Sabihin mo na ano, dear. See you in the next vlog. See you in the next vlog. So, last stop na namin dito. Medyo hindi kami maingay kasi maraming mga people. Nakakahiya. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.